the view from inside my little home. Hello and welcome everybody. It's been a long time again. So I was supposed to be going to the Lake District today and meeting two of my good friends. One of them shared a video last week about our kayak trip down the River Tyne, which was excellent. So if you want to go and check him out, that's the Grey Explorer. I did actually share a post to link up to his video, but I'll also put a link in this video as well. And that's brilliant, and I was so looking forward to being able to go up and meet up with John and Sean again this week, but the weather for the Lake District was really bad. So it was going to be a kayak, a canoe and a pack raft all together, bimbling along and doing a camp on an island, and hopefully in the future that one will come still. But for now I've done a last minute change around, just me, and I'm at Kielder, because you can pay for parking in a van overnight, and so it's just nice to know you can come somewhere like that. And Kielder is beautiful, and I'm just going to have an explore, a walk and see what I can see. So I hope you're happy to follow along and enjoy the views. See ya. So it's just me and my lonely van. There's one other person here, one other motorhome, which is parked well away from me. What an amazing day so far. Lots of photographs taken, lots of video taken. And then I got to meet this really cool bloke who basically stopped us and asked where I was going and what I was doing, because I just looked lost. But it was just because I was just checking out the area. And it turns out he actually lives here. And I'm going to be meeting up with him tomorrow at 9 o'clock, and he's going to show me like the good places to go because he lives here. How amazing is that? A local just offering to come and join you and get the best of a place. Amazing. So this was the right place to come at the right time. Cool. This flask is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can still see the steam coming off this. I filled this flask to the top probably about 11 o'clock yesterday. 30 years old. It's not piping hot now, but bearing in mind that it was 11 o'clock round about yesterday when I filled this up, and it's now 7 o'clock and it still has heat. I love it. Thank you, Graham. He gave us this, by the way. It's still pitch black. By the way, I'm staying at the Castle car park, Kielder Castle car park. And behind me, I'm pointing but you can't see nothing because it's so dark, is the bike shed where you can hire bikes and everything, and just further down the bank there's also a toilet. So if you're like me and there's no poos in the van, there is a toilet, yeah. Still very nicely spaced apart, surrounded by woods. And by the way, it was 11 o'clock in the morning when I filled that flask, which is why it's not piping hot. If I filled it 11 o'clock last night, it would have still been piping hot today, this morning. So at Kielder, I found this lovely, huge Douglas fir. Much better than the ones down my local woods. And look at the size of these blisters, the resin blisters. Right, that's my finger next to it. That's the size of it, look at that. Oh, that one might have already bursted. Right, find another one that I haven't burst. This is live TV, this, look. Oh, that one's burst. Well, wow is all I can say. My God, what a knowledgeable man Dave was, and what a lovely man he was as well. The amount of stuff I've been shown, the history, the nature, like everything is just, I can't believe he just offered his own time and took us around and showed us such an amazing walk out of the goodness of his own heart. Honestly, thank you, Dave, that was amazing. And I'm going to go back around and do a second one and try to capture some more bits of it. Because we did a lot of talking, but I loved it. Honestly, thank you if you're watching this. Priceless, absolutely priceless. This was the place to come. I just knew it. I knew something was telling us, don't go to the Lake District, come here today. And honestly, blown away. Now I'm going to go and get some dinner because I'm starving. Pre-made ham and cheese toasty, going in my little toaster. First time of using that, but my goodness, am I ready for it? Steamy. Whoa. How absolutely stunning. You don't need blue skies and sunshine all of the time, because if you had blue skies and sunshine all the time, you just see all these mists and steam and moisture coming out of the trees, giving so much atmosphere. And you can just see over the mountains over there, the layers and layers and layers. Layers and layers and layers, just in case you couldn't hear my voice because I'm pointing over there. Priceless again. Sometimes you just gotta go with your gut instinct. Go with it. You won't regret it. I know I said you don't always need blue sky, but that is a very welcome sight, because I'm going up and up and up and up to Kielder Observatory, and I'm hoping there is some clarity and we'll get some amazing views. Cat Ken, the Kielder sky space. Can anybody have like dominoes? I've only gone and landed on Earth. How amazing is that? I've reached the sun and feel its heat now. Look at how clean the air must be here. All this lichen is just growing on the building. Look at that. Can't say nature's not amazing. So if you want to see the night sky, this is the place to come, because this is a total dark sky area. It's got really good gold standard dark sky, something. Dave told us. But I knew, I said I'm going to forget all this amazing stuff you're telling us. So I'll have to check out, but it's supposed to be the best dark sky in the UK, definitely. But it is cloudy tonight. I can't see this cloud shifting, but anywhere in Kielder, if the cloud shifts and you look up, you'll see amazing stars. So if you're into nighttime observatory, this is nighttime observations, this is the place to come. I'm going to quickly grab the camera because I think you can just about see the water over there now where you couldn't see it before. Exactly. There. So it's known for that, it's known for its water. And the water is beautiful as well. It's just all beautiful. You need to get yourself here. That's the cool little tunnel thing that I went through before. Beautiful mists rolling in. We have the moon. That's a very promising sight. So this is the castle car park. You couldn't really see that too much yesterday because it was shrouded. This is closed at the minute, but it will be reopening. Absolutely well-deserved cup of tea that. I've walked over 10 miles, over 26,000 steps in 69 floors. Good old noodles. I know how to live it up. So it's 5:30. I'm boiling my last kettle. Put into this flask down there. I believe I've slept in till 8:25. Yeah, last night, first thing, and I was shocked because it's a Saturday and I was thinking, I'm surprised I'm the only van, but it's because they've all come late on now. But despite all these vans coming, still so quiet and why I've slept in. So I thought I'm just going to be open and honest about something. A lot of people think I'm naturally positive and outgoing, which I am. That is my natural personality. But it doesn't mean I'm immune to stress and mental health issues. And I have to take these. Like, literally, this tablet is a lifesaver for me. I just wanted to be honest about that because we all have demons. And just because something might portray it as positive, happy, outgoing, personality all the time, it doesn't mean that that is really everything all the time. This is a massive help for me. This feeds my soul. Absolutely love it. Like, this is the best medication you can ever get. But you still got life to deal with every day, in, out, things that get chucked at you, loved ones, health problems, financial issues, risk of redundancy. Like, honestly, so many things that life chucks at you. It isn't possible to be on top all the time. So sometimes if you've got to be honest with yourself, because if you get the help, what a difference it makes, and you'll survive, and that's the most important thing. So I just wanted to share that. So if you have problems, don't be scared, don't be embarrassed, just go out there and sort them out. Different sections of the woods have completely different atmospheres, but still stunning. The Douglas fir cone. I was hoping to find this for Dave yesterday because it looks like a little mouse trying to get in to get the seeds. Is that how you know it's a Douglas fir? That's the best one there. They're a bit wet, so it's a bit more harder to tell on these. But that's what I was looking for. Nature has claimed its seat. This is a down one, so I don't think there'll be... Oh, wow! There was sap still in it. How cool. I did not expect that. So you can still get the sap on the ones that's come down. Look at that. Could have a field day here. Wow. Oh my God, that's amazing. Right, I'm going to stop before I get carried away. A mathematical puzzle. Have you noticed that the viaduct's arches are skewed? They are not at right angles to the track bed above, which created a complex mathematical puzzle for the Victorian bridge builders. Newcastle architect Peter Nicholson solved the problem with a formula for the shape of each individual stone, which then had to be cut by hand. Today, the viaduct is North East's finest example of a skew arch construction. Wait till you say this. I mean, imagine putting that together. And Dave, who isn't my imaginary friend, even though he's not shown on anything, he was a real human and not a ghost taking us around. He just didn't want to be on camera. He told us about those little squares there. Those are what used to have the wooden planks put through. So the builders used to be able to stand on all of the lengthened wooden planks as they were building, going up and up and up. So you can see one there, where that one was, and they are dotted around. And when the stonework was finished, they pulled the wooden planks out and then pushed the stone in. How cool. Shows history in the making. My video just isn't even doing this justice. You have to come and have a look at it yourself. Get to Kielder, folks. Half a mile back to Kielder Castle. So I'm going to sign off here, because once I get back to my van, I'm literally just going to be packing up and going. Yeah, so I'm just going to sign off and say bye now, because there's nothing much more to see when I get back there. my goodness, what an amazing time. I really needed this. It's been a long time since I've done a solo thing, and honestly I need them just as much as I need the ones with my friends, and I love the ones with my friends as well, but it's just everything has its own goodness to it, and it's just all good. You just need to get out, have adventure, visit places you've never seen before, get out your comfort zone and just do it like Nike. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye for now.